All right, where are the animals? What's this? Campbell, what is this? A cow? What? That's right. The cow says moo. What is? Oh, what are these? Well, here's the dog. What does the dog say? Yeah. What does the dog say? It's a baby dog. Yeah. Dog. What does the dog say? That's right. What are these? Cats? Meow. Yeah. All right, turn the page. What are those? Ducks? Quack quack. All right, let's turn the page. Turn the page. Let's see what comes next. Are you gonna sleep on the ducks? Okay, let's see what's next. The sheep. What does the sheep say? Bah. We don't. Goat. We don't really know those yet, huh? What is this? A horse? What does a horse say? Neigh. And then cow. What does a cow say? Moo. All right, let's turn the page. Ooh, it's a bird. What does the bird say? Tweet, tweet. All right, let's see what's next. It's a pig. What does the pig say? Oink, oink. Yeah. What does the bunny rabbit say? Hey, what does the bunny rabbit say? Okay. What? Oh, what's that? A monkey? What does the monkey say? Are you all done? You didn't get to your favorite one. What is this? What's that? A dog? Woof woof. What's this? Cat? Meow. What's that? Duck? No, duck. What does the duck say? Quack quack. Hold on. What's that? An elephant? What does that elephant say? That's right. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see what this is. You mice. We don't need to learn those. All right. What does the monkey say? Whoop whoop. That's right. What does the bird say? Oh. Hey, I love you.